Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here is a great opportunity to complete your dream home, consisting of 6 beds, 6 baths on Olive Boulevard, Olive Park, Santa Cruz. 5 bedrooms and 5 baths are en suite for your comfort. The land area of this house is approximately 6,500 square feet. The ground floor has 1 bed, 1 bath, and a helper's quarters. A water tank is built below the kitchen floor, so there are no water issues. The first floor has 3 beds and 3 baths, and the third floor, 2 baths and 2 beds. There is a breathtaking view of Spur Tree, Santa Cruz, and the surrounding areas. Schools, churches, and public transportations are easily accessible. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 21 million or US $136.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.